Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Ash Wednesday. It's the first time in many years that we've had Ash Wednesday fall on Valentine's Day. So it's pretty cool. I think it was like 1956 if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, so today we are going to look at the K-Day cases. I have 5 cases right in front of me. 3 are coded AFB and the other ones are AFA. So let's check out and see if there is a different assortment among the cases. Not 100% sure. So let me go and open up each of the cases. Let's go ahead and look at the AFA. One thing about this one is it has the blue tape. At one K-Day, a guy said that the blue tape means super, but I have yet to find out if he was right, because all the blue tapes did not have supers. Let's open this one up. If you know what the blue tape means, please put it down in the comment section below. We are going to take a look at each of these right now. And according to one of my buddies, the super is not the one we all thought it would be. But let's take a closer look at this assortment. We are going to look at the cars real quickly. That way we have time to look at the other cases. This is a very nice color. Oop. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Bone Shaker looks really cool too. We're going to put the cars back here. And we have our... Oh, look at this. That looks really cool right there. Very nice car. This one's new for 2018, which is why it looks so cool. Here are 2 of the K-Day exclusive colors. Gonna have to open one of these up because I need a bottle opener right now. Here's another one, the Chevy Nova. It's actually a very nice color scheme here. And the Datsun's back, or the Nissan Fairlady's back. I like those wheels. Wheels look really cool. Here's another exclusive. Oh, speaking of Valentine's Day, maybe it was 57. Huh. Interesting. This guy is back. And we got this one here too. Has anybody actually used this for golf balls? Let me know. So here, oh, sorry, there we go. Volkswagen's back. Here we got another Kmart exclusive color. Is the Z06. It's very nice. 2 of them. In each case, you get 2 of the exclusive colors. Oh, this one looks cool. There we go. There's the Volkswagen T2 pickup. I don't know if this one was in stores with chrome. It might be a variation. I don't know yet. I would have to check my other one. Really like that. Very unique color scheme there. I'm going to try to speed it up. I am very sorry. Here's another exclusive color. This is going to be a very popular model. Part of the Then and Now series. Batman. Return of the Batman, I should say. Ooh, this one looks very nice. That one's going to be another popular one that they're going to be fighting over at K-Day. Here's Mercedes. This one's a very nice car. Really like the black. It's a metallic black color, so it's a little bit shiny. Still don't know what the super is. I keep putting the cars too far to the left. That one's a very nice one. I think we just saw that one, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe I am mistaken. Here is the Nissan Skyline. Somebody said that this was going to be the Super, but it does not appear to be. It looks like it's going to be the race car, the Indy car, I should say. This is a very fun model. It's new. Is it new? Don't know if it's new, but it is very fun. And I really like the Loopster, so I'm glad to see it in this very nice color scheme. We're going to move closer into the bottom. No treasure hunts yet. Here is this motorcycle, which I don't know. It has nothing on it. Oh, this Mazda looks very nice. It's a very nice color. Very cool. I think... Nope. Fiat looks very nice in this really cool looking retro, hipster, whatever you want to call it, color scheme. Now we are to the bottom. And so this would be your Super right here, which is the Indy. This one is the regular, which is alright because I really like my golf cars. That's going to open up definitely. And here is the Rally Cat. I may or may have not missed the treasure hunt. We'll check in the next case. I'm trying to get all these opened up. Alright, so I'm going to pause it, and we're going to grab the B case, and then at the end we will take a look at the other cases, see if we have any Supers. So here we have the AFB case. And real quick, we will check to see if the assortment is the same or if it's different. And I can tell you right now that it appears to be slightly different. So, ooh, there we go. Hold the Super. There's the Super. Let me pick out the regular. That way you can see the difference. So there we go. Very nice. So we do have the Super. I'm going to put it to the side. So right now, here, let's take a look. This assortment is slightly different. There we have the Chevelle. Here we have the Challenger. Very nice. I'm going to keep the Super to the side. So there is a different assortment. I'm very glad I ended up buying two different, or many cases, that I should say. I will also be doing the mail-in, because I really like the Gasser. There's those two. I'm going to try to speed it up. And like I said, I'm sorry that I am making this video a little bit long. And that looks awesome right there. There's the Datsun that I was waiting for. Very nice. Sorry I'm making the video long, but I hope it will help some of you out. Because, ooh, here, I like this one right here. The Fiesta. I hope this video helps some of you guys out. That way you know what to look for. If you don't get a case, you at least know what's going to end up on the table. Because sometimes at K-Day you just won't get a case. And that's one thing that I don't like about K-Day. Is that even though there's more and more people showing up, there are less and less cases year after year. The return of the Pontiac. Really like this car. Very nice. It's a very nice car. This is here another nice casting, which is the Custom 53 Chevy. I think the AFB has the better assortment out of the two cases. And some of these castings are just wonderful. Definitely going to have fun opening a lot of these cars. I will do a separate unboxing video of the cars themselves. I will pick out enough cars for the mail-in. That way I have enough. Ooh, check this one out. That way I have enough to get 5 of the mail-ins. I think the limit is 5. The Type R is beautiful. I actually finally saw one the other day on the road. Guy clearly didn't care about it because his car was all covered in salt, but you know, it's his car, what he wants to do with it, but it was very, very nice to see it on the road. Here is another new casting right here. I'm sorry. I'm trying to see if it's an error because it's all... maybe it's an off-road look to it. There's two Corvette Z06s again. Oops. There is a recolor on the Fair Lady. Or is it the same one that we saw earlier? I don't know. The Maverick was very nice. We were talking to another collector at Toys R Us about it. And, very nice cast. Very, very cool. So I don't know what the treasure hunt is. We shall find out later. If I do get one. I'm happy to get the Super. And I'm also happy to see all these Novas. Let's start with this one. This one's very nice casting itself. And then we got two more of these. And here is the treasure hunt, which is the Rocketster. Very nice. We do have a treasure hunt. And then we got these two again. And that is the A and B casting, or case unboxing. We saw the casting differences between the two. Right now, I'm going to go put these into the box, and we'll grab the next three boxes, open them all up, and just look inside to see if we have another Super. And it appears that this case doesn't even have the IndyCar in it, but it does have a treasure hunt right here. Let's see. I'm gonna have to look into this case later to see what changed in here. And let me open these two up real quick. This case has a treasure hunt right there. Another Super. Awesome. Last case. Can we go for 3 Supers? New K-Day record. Let's see. And the answer... let's see. It appears that there is no treasure hunt and no Super. Well, that was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this review, and hopefully you guys are able to find your own Supers, and hope you all have a wonderful K-Day, and hopefully it will all work out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support of the channel, and as always, thank you guys so much for everything you do, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.